Hello everyone, and we're grateful to have you with us again today. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, walking around a 2020 Ford Escape SE with you. If you're on our YouTube page, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment down below. What do you think about our Escape? Also, don't forget to smash that bell. You'll get notifications about our walkarounds as they're made. We do this to be transparent, to show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high-definition photos that are located on our website. If you'd like to see those photos, plus anything else that we offer, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of the video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on the Ford Escape, so let's go ahead and start the walk around. All right, let's walk around this Escape. It's going to be very easy. There's not a lot to show you. As you can see, there's great tread on the tires. There are very light chip here, and at certain angles, which I don't know if I'll be able to show you, if you look in here, there's a couple little love bug marks that they didn't get off in time. But once you back up 12 inches, you can't see either of these things. This thing is in amazing, above average condition for a 3-year-old, over 38,000 mile Ford Escape. It's got many years, many fuel efficient years left in it to treat someone really, really right. But as you can see, the finish, there's no scratches, no major dents. There is one tiny itty bitty ding that I can't even get to show up on this camera right there in the door. Other than that, this thing looks beautiful. Let's look at the interior. Okay, we are going to show you what doesn't show up in our photos, which in our case is this side of the visor, the headliner, as always, and the top of the dash, all of which are in like new condition. It also does not smell like it was a smoker vehicle of any kind. If you have any questions about condition, inside or out, maybe shipping options or financing options, call Jennifer. Her number is located at the bottom of your screen. She'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Stay tuned to hear the engine running, and hopefully we'll see you again soon.